Yes, children. So life skills, study the map and tick the correct option. Okay. So there is a image given, a picture given. In that many images you can see. You can see a park, a church, hospital, police station, and a house. Okay. So 5 images are there in the picture. Observe the picture carefully. Then that map you see carefully. Then you have to tick the correct answer to this question. First one, A. The park is to the left or right of the church. You have to mark the direction. So park, park is to the dash of church. So imagine that you are in the church. Okay. So now you see where is the park from church. From church it is to the left. Park. Where is the park? Yes, it is to the left of the church, isn't it? If you are standing in front of the church, then park you can see to the left side of the church. So just tick left. Okay, children? Okay. Now question B. The church is behind, in front of your house. So imagine that you are in the house. House is here, isn't it? Yes. House. So where is the church from your house? You are in the house. So church is behind or in front? Church is? Yes. See the church and the house. You are in the house, you imagine. Then church is behind or in front of your house. In front of your house there is no church. So you can see the front part of your house. This is the front part of your house. If you are in the house, then you can see the church. Yes, behind. Church is behind of your house, isn't it? You are in the house. So behind of you is the church, isn't it? Yes. Now the police station is to the left, right of your house. Police station. So you are in the police station. You should imagine that you are in the police station. So police station is to the dash of your house. Police station is left or right, you have to write. So police station is to the which direction, left or right? Police station is to dash, is to the dash of your house. Police station is to the, yes, it is to the right of your house. Right. There you have to give a tick. From your house, when you are standing in front of your house, you can see the police station right side. Then the hospital is to the left, right of the police station. Where is the hospital from police station? Is it left or right? Police station is to the, hospital. Hospital is to the left or right of the police station. So police station you can see there. Hospital also you can see, children. So the hospital is to the dash of the police station. Is it left or right? The hospital is to the, yes, tell me. Can you say the correct direction is it to the left or right? You are in the police station, you imagine. So where is the hospital now? It is to the, yes, think and tell the answer. Hospital is to the dash of the police station. Is it to the left or is it to the right? So if you are in the police station, you are standing in front of police station, then hospital is there to the right of the police station. Then church is to the dash, left or right of the park. So park and church you can see the. So you are in front of the church. Church is to the left or right of the park. Okay, so imagine that you are in the park. Then from park, where is the church? Which side, left or right? Church is to the Church is to the, you are in the park, okay? Yes, you are in the park. Then church is to the which side? Church is to the, yes, left or right of the park? Yes, think and tell the answer. The church is to the, yes, where is the church? Church is to the, if you are in the park, then you can tell the church is to the left or right of the park. Which side will be the answer? Which side will be the answer? The church is to the left or right. You have to tick above the correct answer. So the church is to the dash of the park. Church is here. You can see the image. Observe the image carefully and tell the answer. The church is to the left or right of the park. The church is to the left of the park. Just give a tick above the word left. So park is to the left of the church and church is behind your house. Police station is to the right of your house. The hospital is to the right of the police station. The church is to the left of the park. Children, now it's our exercise time. So there are some exercise in the workbook. So for the lesson 18, directions, the exercise in the workbook, the first exercise is tick the correct answer. Okay. So there are 3 questions given, 1, 2, 3. And for each question you have 2 options. And among this option, 1 answer is correct. So to the correct answer square box, you have to tick a tick mark. You have to give a tick mark. So if you are facing west, the first question is if you are facing west, on your right is option A north, option B south. If you are facing west direction, so I told you we learned about 4 main directions: east, west, north and south. If you are facing sun, the rising sun, this is east, opposite west, left north, right south, isn't it? But the question is if you are facing west, west means this direction, isn't it? So opposite to the east direction, you are facing west direction, then what comes on your right? Which direction? Is it north or south? When you are facing east, your right side is what? When you are facing east, right side is south. So when you are facing west, your right side will be north. So put a tick here, north, because you are facing west. So right side will be the north side. Okay. So second is if you are facing north, on your left is option A south, option B west. So we are facing north direction, children, isn't it? East, west, north, south. So you are facing north, then your left side will be, left side what it will be? This is the north of yours. Suppose you are standing right in front of rising sun, east, west, north, south. So left will be west, isn't it? West. You stretch your arms like that, then you can understand. East, west, north, south. So I am asking about your left part. Left part will be west. So put a tick here. Okay. Now third one, the headlights of the car is on the A back side, B front side. Have you seen the car headlights where it will be? Car headlights will be front side or back side? Headlight will be on front side only. It will be in front side, isn't it? Option B is the correct answer. You have to put a tick mark there. Car's headlight is on the front side of the car. So if you are facing west, on your right is north. If you are facing north, on your left is west. Then third one, the headlights of the car is on the front side, option B. Okay. Our next exercise in the workbook is exercise 2. Look at these things. write true or false. So in the workbook you can see an image, children, a picture showing directions, and in each direction you can see some images. You can see the image or picture showing north, south, east and west direction. In each direction you can see a particular image. North side you can see a pen, south you can see a book, east you can see a water bottle, west side you can see a bag. Can you see the image here? Yes, you can see the image in 4 directions: north, south, east and west. Now observe the picture, the images carefully in each direction, then you try to answer the questions. Okay, so the first question is, the bag is in the west. Is it true or false? Where is the bag? Come on, in the image, in the picture given, the direction of picture given with images, there you see where is the bag. Bag is in which direction, children? Yes, it is in the west direction only. So the given statement is true or false? The bag is in the west. Bag is in the west only, right? Yes, so you can write true there. T-R-U-E, true. Bag is in the west. Now second, the water bottle is in the north. So in this image given, where is the water bottle? Come on, check it. Children, where is the water bottle? They have shown in which direction. You can see the water bottle here. Yes, water bottle you can see in the east direction. East, isn't it? Water bottle is here, east. But they have asked, but water bottle is in the north. North is what? North is pen, not water bottle. So the given statement is wrong. Water bottle is in the north is wrong. So you have to write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay? Yes. Now coming to the third one. The book is in the east. Now see the image. See the direction and the image in each direction, and check where is the book. Check where is the book. Book, where it is? South direction, isn't it? South direction they mark, they has given the image as book. So here the book is in the east, they are telling. East, we can see a bottle, not book. So the book is in the east. That is true or false? It is wrong. So the answer is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Because book is not in the east direction, it is in the south, right? Yes. Now last question. The pen is in the south. Now children, see the image. Where is the pen? Where you can see the pen? In which direction you can see? Pen is in the north direction, N, isn't it? Not in the south. South is book. So the pen is in the south is wrong. So you have to write again false. F-A-L-S-E, false. So the bag is in the west is true. Bag is in the west only. The water bottle is in the north. Wrong. Water bottle is not in the north. It is in east. So false. The book is in the east. No, book is in the south. So it is false. The pen is in the south. Pen is in the north, not south. So again, false. Children, so our next exercise in the workbook is exercise 3. Fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. We have 5 questions. 5 fill up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So read the question and write the correct answer to it. Okay? So shall we read the questions? Yes. So the first question is, the sun rises from the, well, do the sun rise? It rises in the east. Yes, east. E-A-S-T, east. Sun rises from the east. E-A-S-T, east. Okay, yes, directions we can write with capital letters. Okay, the sun rises in the east. E-A-S-T, east. The sun sets in which direction? Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay, W-E-S-T, west. Sun sets in the west. Now third, if you are facing the sun in the morning, on your right is dash. On right, which direction you can see? You are facing the sun in the morning. Sun rises in the east. So this is east. Behind you west. Left is north. Right is south. So right is which side? Which direction will come on the right side? It is south. Isn't it? S-O-U-T-H. South. So if you are facing the sun in the morning, on your right is south. S-O-U-T-H. South. Opposite to south. Which direction you can see opposite to south? East, west, north, south. East, west, north, south. So north, south. So opposite to south is, opposite to east we can say west. East, west. Then north, south. So opposite to south is north. N-O-R-T-H. North. Opposite to south is north. Isn't it? Whenever we draw the directions, we draw the directions like this. So north, south. We mark like this, isn't it? North, south, east, west. So opposite to south. Opposite to south is what? N. North. Yes. We use dash to find directions. In earlier days, in olden days, people use one instrument to find direction. Nowadays also we have this instrument to find direction. So we use dash to find directions. We use compass. C-O-M-P-A-S-S. Compass. We use compass to find directions. Okay. So the first one, the sun rises from the east. The sun sets, second, the sun sets in the west. Third, if you are facing the sun in the morning, on your right is south. Opposite to south is north. Last question, we use dash to find direction. We use compass to find directions. Okay? Children, so our next exercise in the workbook is exercise 4. Let's answer. So there are few questions given. Read the question and answer to it. Okay? Yes. So the first question is, write the 4 main directions. So you learned about 4 main directions. There are 4 main directions: east, west, north and south. Yes, so answer is, there are 4 main directions: east, E-A-S-T, east, comma, W-E-S-T, west, comma, north, N-O-R-T-H, north, and south, S-O-U-T-H, south. Second question, come on, read the second question, children. Along with me, read the second question. What helps us to read maps? What helps us to read maps? Answer, directions help us in reading maps. Directions, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S, directions. Directions help us in reading maps. Next, third question or last question. What are opposite directions? What are opposite directions? Facing each other, isn't it? Like this, opposite directions. So answer, directions which face each other are called opposite directions. Directions which face each other. So first question is, write the 4 main directions. There are 4 main directions: east, west, north and south. Second, what helps us to read maps? Answer, directions help us in reading maps. Third one, what are opposite directions? Directions which face each other are called opposite directions. Understood? Okay. Next exercise in the workbook is, let's do it. So you have to do something. Okay, let's see what you have to do. This is a picture with Ajay in the center. So in the workbook you can see children, a picture is given. Okay, there one boy is there. His name is Ajay. Ajay is in the middle of the picture, or the center we can say. In the empty boxes, so there are empty boxes like this. So in the empty boxes, draw what? A ball in front of Ajay, a balloon behind Ajay, then an animal on Ajay's right, then a tree on Ajay's left. So Ajay is here. First, a ball you have to draw in front of Ajay. In front of Ajay means here in this box you have to draw a ball. You have to draw a ball in front of Ajay. You have to draw a ball. Nicely you draw a ball in front of Ajay. Then a balloon behind Ajay. Behind me means just behind, here, opposite to this side. Behind, opposite to ball. Behind Ajay. So here in this box you have to draw a balloon. Then an animal on Ajay's right. So Ajay is in the center. Left is this, right is this. So right side, where? Yes, in this box, an animal. You have to draw an animal. A picture of an animal you have to draw. Where? Right side of Ajay. Then a tree on Ajay's left. That side is the left of Ajay. There you have to draw a tree. So children, try to do this exercise. In the workbook there is space given or boxes are given. Behind Ajay, in front of Ajay, left and right side of Ajay, you have to draw some pictures like ball, balloon, animal and tree. So nicely with your pencil draw, and if you want to color you can color it also. Okay, according to your wish, your choice, you can color also. So try to do this in the workbook. Okay children, so you understand about the directions, right? East, west, north, south are the main directions we learned, and we have other directions. Some words that we use in our daily life is right, left, front, back, up, down, etc. These are all directions only. Okay, yes.